Most videos on the internet overcomplicate trading on Binance, but it's actually very simple to use, and I'll prove it to you in the next few minutes. In this video, I'm going to take you from a complete beginner to confidently placing your very first trade. We'll cover everything: account setup, deposits, the trading interface, and step-by-step instructions for executing your first trade. No steps skipped, no assumptions made. And with my exclusive link down below, you unlock up to $100 in sign-up rewards and plus WCT and HUMA token vouchers in the Rewards Hub. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Binance and how to claim every bonus available to you. So let's get started. Here's why Binance is my top choice, and honestly, it's not even close. Binance is the #1 exchange in the world by trade-in volume. According to CoinGecko, Binance holds around 39% of the top 10 exchange volume. That is massive. We're talking billions of dollars traded every single day, which means deep liquidity, meaning your orders fill at the price you actually see, even when using leverage. On top of that, Binance has over $1 billion in their SafeU fund. That stands for Secure Asset Fund for Users, which is held in USDC stablecoins. This is basically an emergency insurance fund to protect your assets. That gives you a very high level of trust and security. Binance also offers a huge range of coins, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to hundreds of altcoins. You've got spot trading, futures trading with up to 10 times leverage, copy trading, earn features, and a full Web3 wallet. It is both perfect for beginners and advanced traders. And with my link, you get up to $100 in sign-up rewards on top of everything else. All right, let's get into it. First thing is click the link in the description. This is very important. Using my link is what unlocks the full bonus package for you. Without it, you will get a completely different deal. Once you're on the Binance page, you can sign up with your email or phone number, or you can connect via Google or Apple. For this tutorial, I'll use email. Just fill in your details, create a strong password, and you're in. The whole process takes less than a minute. Once you're inside your Binance account, the bonuses will start unlocking as you complete certain actions. I'll walk you through all of that. Now, before we deposit anything, let me quickly explain how Binance organizes your funds, because this is something a lot of beginners get confused about. Binance uses different account types to keep things organized. First, you have your funding account, and this is where your deposits land first. Think of it as the main entry point for your money. Then you have your Fiat and spot account. This is where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies at market prices. It's ideal for holding assets or trading without leverage. Next is your isolated margin and cross-margin accounts. These are for leveraged futures trading, which is what we'll be getting into later in this video. Then there's the earn account. This is where you can stake your coins and earn passive income on over 300 plus assets with both flexible and locked terms. Binance also has advanced yield investment products if you want to go deeper into that. And finally, Binance has a wallet for things like P2P trading and third-party services. Binance also has regional partner platforms like Binance TR for Turkey region, Toko Crypto for Indonesia, and Binance TH for Thailand. These are localized versions of Binance for specific regions, operating under local regulations. So the key thing to remember is deposits go into your funding or spot wallet first, and then you transfer to the right account depending on what you want to do. I'll show you exactly how to do that. All right, let's get some money into your account and start claiming those bonuses. Go to your wallet and click deposit. You'll see a few options here. And this is where Binance is a little different from other exchanges, so pay attention. You'll see options for deposit crypto, buy with fiat, and P2P trading. For now, let's focus on deposit crypto first. Click on Deposit Crypto, then select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. USDT is ideal for trading, but Bitcoin or Ethereum works too. When selecting USDT, I recommend choosing the TRC20 network, as it's fast and the fees are very low. You'll then see your personal deposit address. Copy it carefully. Go to your current exchange or wallet, paste the address, and send your crypto. It usually takes around 5 to 15 minutes to arrive. Pro tip, always send a small test amount first, maybe $10 to $20, and double check that the network matches on both sides. This is very important. Sending on the wrong network can mean losing your funds. Now here's where the bonuses start to kick in. Head over to the Rewards Hub. You can find it in your profile or dashboard. In the Rewards Hub, you can claim vouchers including WCT token vouchers, ranging from 15 to 30 WCT, and HUMA token vouchers ranging from 50 to 220 HUMA. WCT is the Wallet Connect token, and HUMA is a real-world asset lending protocol token. Both are live projects you can hold or trade. These are available just for signing up and completing basic steps with my link. On top of that, you can get up to $100 in USDT sign-up rewards by completing actions like depositing and trading. The more you deposit and trade, the more rewards you unlock. It all stacks up. If you don't have crypto yet and you want to buy directly on Binance, no problem. It's very simple. Go back to the deposit section and this time select Buy with Fiat. You'll choose your local currency first, for example, euros or US dollars, and then select the coin you want to receive, like USDT or Bitcoin. Then you choose your payment method. You can use a credit or debit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Binance will show you the exact price of the coin in your local currency before you confirm, so you know exactly what you're getting. Once you're happy, just click confirm and the crypto will arrive in your account. Now, if you want to buy using P2P trading, that's also available. With P2P, you're buying USDT directly from other users. You select your currency, choose a seller, follow their payment instructions, usually a bank transfer or mobile payment. And once you confirm the payment, the USDT gets released to your wallet through escrow. It's safe and often has better rates, but it does take a little longer. Note that Binance does not have a direct bank transfer deposit option outside of P2P, but P2P effectively gives you that same functionality. If you deposited Bitcoin or another crypto but need USDT for futures trading, here's how to convert it quickly. Go to your spot wallet, click on Overview, then click Transfer. Move your funds from your funding wallet to your Fiat and spot account. Once it's there, go to Trade then Spot. Search for your pair, for example, Bitcoin USDT. Select Market Order, go to the sell side, enter the amount you want to convert, and click Sell BTC. This instantly converts your Bitcoin into USDT at the current market price. Now that you have USDT in your spot account, go back to transfer and move it from your Fiat and spot account into your isolated margin or cross margin account. Depending on which one you want to use for futures trading, I'll explain the difference in just a moment. All right, now let's move on to the main event of futures trading. Hover over Trade in the top navigation bar and click on Margin. This will bring you to the Binance Futures dashboard. This is where you'll be doing most of your leverage trading. It might look a little overwhelming at first, but I'll break down every single section so it makes perfect sense. Here's what you'll see on the trading screen. In the top right, you'll find the trading pair selector. This is where you choose which crypto to trade, like Bitcoin USDT or ETH USDT. In the center is the price chart. It shows the historical price movement of the asset. You can switch between the standard view and the full trading view chart, which gives you all the drawing tools and technical indicators you need for analysis. On the left side is the order book. Red numbers are sell orders sitting above the market, and green numbers are buy orders sitting below. This shows you where the liquidity is. In the lower right, you'll see current market trades, a live feed of recent trades being executed on the exchange. And in the middle bottom is the order placement panel. This is where you'll configure and place your trades, set your leverage, and manage your position size. Everything you need is right here on one screen. Before placing any trades, you need to configure two very important settings. First, margin mode. You'll see this at the top of the order panel. I strongly recommend using isolated margin as a beginner. This means that if the trade goes wrong, you only lose the margin you put into that specific position. The rest of your account is completely safe. Cross margin uses your entire futures balance as collateral, which is much riskier. Also, just so you know, you can also see spot and grid bot options here on the trading screen. Just make sure you are in the right column, which is isolated, so that you are placing a proper futures trade. Second, leverage. Binance allows up to 10 times leverage on USDT pairs, but do not use high leverage as a beginner. Stick to 5 times maximum when you're just starting out. Here's how leverage works. If you have $100 and you use 5 times leverage, you now have $500 in buying power. You're controlling a $500 position with only $100 of your own money. That means profits are amplified, but so are losses. So keep it low and keep it safe. For this tutorial, I'll be using 5 times leverage on isolated margin. All right, let's place a long trade, meaning we're betting that Bitcoin is going to go up. In the order panel, select market order so it executes immediately at the current price. Now you'll see an option for how you want to size your order. You can choose order by quantity, which is denominated in BTC, or order by value, which lets you set your position size in USDT. I'll use order by value because it makes position sizing much easier to understand. Set your position size. For example, a $50 position. With 5 times leverage, that means you're only using $10 of your own capital as margin. Now, and this is very important, once your position is open, always set a stop loss and take profit before you open the trade. Click on TP/SL to open those settings. For this example, I'll risk $2 to make $6. That's a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, which is a solid setup. Once everything is configured, click Buy BTC. Your trade is now live. You'll see it appear in the positions panel at the bottom. Your entry price, your current P&L, your liquidation price, and your stop loss and take profit levels are all visible right there. And keep in mind, your futures trading volume also helps you unlock more rewards from the rewards hub. So the more you trade, the more bonuses you can be claiming on top of your profits. Now that your trade is open, let's talk about how to manage it. As the trade moves in your favor, you can adjust your stop loss to lock in profits. Once you're up a few dollars, move your stop loss up to your entry price. This is called moving to break even, and it means you can no longer lose on that trade. You can also partially close your position. For example, if you're up nicely, you can close 50% of the trade to take some profits while letting the rest run. To close your trade, you have a few options. First is letting your take profit or stop loss close it automatically. Next is by closing manually by clicking the Close Position button in the Positions panel. Third is to close a percentage of the position using the slider. Or fourth, by dragging the TP/SL lines directly on the chart to adjust them visually. If you want to trade the market going down, just click Sell instead of Open Long. Same process, opposite direction. Now, while you're on the Binance platform, there are a few other things worth knowing about. Binance also has demo trading, which is perfect if you want to practice without risking real money. There's also trading bots for automated strategies, copy trading where you can automatically mirror experienced traders, and Alpha, Binance's early access token discovery feature. They're also in the beta phase of their own DEX, giving you access to decentralized trading directly from the platform. We will cover these deeply in the next videos, so stay tuned for that. Binance is not just a trading platform. It's a full ecosystem. Under the Earn section, you can earn passive income on over 300 plus assets with both flexible and locked staking terms. Binance also has advanced yield investment products if you want to go deeper into that. There's also a Learn section where you can learn how crypto works, how blockchain functions, and everything in between. You can read their blogs, and they also have an institutional grade research section with in-depth market analysis and insights. Very useful if you want to understand what's happening in the market. And when you click on more in the navigation, you'll find even more features. Launchpool is where you can stake BNB or other tokens to earn new token airdrops before they even list on the exchange. Megadrop lets you lock BNB and complete Web3 quests to earn early access to new projects. There are also mining pools, loans, an NFT marketplace, and access to Web3 via the Binance Wallet, a self-custody wallet built directly into the platform for DeFi and cross-chain swaps. And you can also access the BNB chain ecosystem directly from here. It is honestly one of the most complete platforms in the entire crypto space. Before we wrap up, here are the essential rules you need to follow when trading. Start with small position sizes. Do not risk more than 2 to 5% of your account on any single trade. Always use a stop loss. This is non-negotiable. Never open a trade without one. Keep a trading journal. Write down every trade, your entry, your exit, your reasoning. This is how you actually improve. And never risk more than you can afford to lose. Trading is a skill that can give you real financial freedom, but it takes repetition and discipline to get there. Start slow, stay consistent, and the results will come. All right, that is everything you need to know to get started on Binance. Start small, focus on learning, and do not chase profits in the beginning. If you're ready to get started, use the link in the description. It activates your exclusive bonus package, including up to $100 in sign-up rewards and your WCT and HUMA token vouchers in the Rewards Hub. These are only available through my link, so make sure you use it. I'll also be uploading more Binance tutorials covering copy trading, spot trading strategies, and more advanced futures setups. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss those. And I'll see you in the next video.